Title Quick Tutorial, Viewing and Managing Clipboard History in Windows 11. Introduction. The clipboard history in Windows 11 allows you to view, manage, and reuse multiple items that you have copied. It can be accessed easily using a keyboard shortcut, and you can also adjust its settings to suit your needs. This tutorial will guide you through how to view clipboard history, adjust clipboard settings, and enable clipboard history on your Windows 11 device. Step 1. View clipboard history. 1. Open clipboard history. Press Windows key V on your keyboard. 2. View the clipboard panel. A panel will appear showing the clipboard history on the right side of the screen. You can drag the clipboard window to any desired position on your screen. Step 2. Adjust clipboard settings. 1. Delete an item from clipboard history. Click on the copied item in the clipboard panel. A 3-dot menu will appear. Click it and select Delete to remove the item. 2. Pin an item to clipboard history. Click the pin icon under the 3 dots to keep an item permanently in your clipboard history. 3. Clear clipboard history. Go to Windows Settings to clear all clipboard history. 4. Sync clipboard history across devices. You can sync your clipboard across all devices logged in with the same Microsoft account. Step 3. Enable clipboard history. 1. Open Windows Settings. Press Windows I to open Windows Settings. 2. Navigate to Clipboard Settings. In Settings, select System. Scroll down and click on Clipboard. 3. Enable clipboard history. Toggle on the option to enable clipboard history. Note, you cannot resize the clipboard history panel, but you can scroll through all entries. The clipboard history may open in different positions depending on usage, sometimes in the same place and sometimes at the default location. Besides copied text, the clipboard history also contains other items like emojis, K-emoji, symbols, and GIFs. Conclusion. Using clipboard history in Windows 11 allows you to efficiently manage your copied items, delete or pin specific entries, and even sync across devices.